Pretty nice looking. With all the wiring right here. So my camera kind of sucks, but I broke the lens on it. But this is what I'm doing with the wiring. This is where it plugs in. I put this wire on the ground. Put it right there. That's where I bolted it down. Then I put the wire harness. I squeezed it in through right here through this what is it, support bar, beam bar thing, all the way through. I'll just push it in. Comes out this side. And then the other piece that goes, you know, up to the battery and the switch, I stuck it in through under here, trying to give it that factory install. I'm gonna have to like put a zip tie or something to hold it together, hold the extra excess wiring. This relay, I'm gonna bolt it down right there where the fuse box is. There's a little bolt right here. That's where that's gonna go. And then black goes right there on the terminal. And then the red one right there for positive. Now I just gotta get the wires in for the button. I might actually try to look for the OEM fog light button. I'm not really digging this aftermarket one, but I mean, so far so good. We'll see how it turns out right now in a bit. So right now, as I'm installing the red wire to the power side, instead of going just straight to there, I put the wire from under this thing, under this plastic thing. Because if I put it just straight there, when I close this up, it's gonna crimp that wire. I don't want that, so I went from under this little box thing, slid it through there, and bolted it down there. That way, the wire's not getting crimped. And this thing is just gonna stick out right here on the side. There's nothing to mount it. I mean, it has this little sliding things to mount in somewhere, but I don't have anywhere to mount it. So it's just gonna stay there. But at least that wire is not gonna get crimped by the box itself. Alright, so it's finally done. I already installed the little switch right here. I routed the wiring right through the steering column. Switch right there. Excuse my child. Alright, so under here, right under here, what I did is that's one of the big grommet wire harness things that goes straight to the engine bay. It's right under the firewall, right behind the steering column. I just snuck the wire right under there. I didn't want to do any holes on the grommet, so just squeeze it in there. I mean, it's not too big. And then I routed it over the foot brake. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's over the foot brake. And then right here on the this yellow thingy right here where all the, I think it's like a fuse box. That's a fuse box.
Papa.
I did a little zip tie right there just so that the wire don't hang. Keeps it in place, and then into the steering column, just right here. So that's how I wired it in here, and then I'll show you guys on the engine bay side. Now on the engine bay side, what I ended up doing, I mean, I told you guys it goes up through that one grommet, right under the grommet. I'm gonna try to show you guys where it is. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it. There is the grommet right there. Right there, that's the grommet right there. Right under that grommet is that wire. right there. It wasn't too hard. I just from the other side, from the inside, once I put enough wire through with the little plug in there too, I just literally stuck my hand right through this, right through here, and reached in there, pulled the wire, and then routed it around this other fuse box right here, back to that relay, and that's it. I didn't show you guys, but the negative wire, I just, it's kind of straightforward for that one. There's no way it could get crimped right here, so I bolted it down and on there. I'm gonna see if I can clean this up a little bit more, but that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. And then this is the finished product right here. Pretty nice. Can't even tell that much, but yeah, this is how they look like on during the day. They're pretty cool. I mean, I think on the camera they look a little greenish or yellow, but they're clear white. Alright, so this is a video test of the fog lights. That's it right there. Those are the fog lights. This is with the headlights on. Just fog lights. That's with the fog lights on. This is with the fog lights and the headlights on. Let's see if I can adjust the brightness on my phone. I think they're pretty bright. Like a little exterior test. That's the fog lights right there. And that's with the fog lights off. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it. That was a fog light install guidance video. If you guys want more Sorento stuff, I'm gonna try to post more stuff. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see what else we get installed on this little Sorento build.